Here we can see that there are 3 groups, 1, 2, 3 groups of cupcakes. Each group has 1, 2, 3, 4 cupcakes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each one has 4 cupcakes. There are 12 cupcakes altogether. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We can say there are 3 groups of 4 cupcakes, which equals 12 cupcakes altogether. 3 groups of 4 equals 12. 3 fours equals 12. Here is another multiplication story. There are 4 plates. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each plate has 6 cherries on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm just going to do circles now. I'm not even going to try and draw a cherry shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 24 cherries altogether. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. There are 24 cherries altogether. 4 groups of 6 cherries equals 24 cherries altogether. 4 groups of 6 equals 24. 4 sixes equals 24. That should say sixes. 4 sixes equal 24. Okay, so now it's your turn to have a go at making up a multiplication story. And I'm going to draw something to help you. So you can see that there are some aeroplanes, and I can tell you that each aeroplane has 3 people in it. Now what I suggest that you do is that you pause the video and tell the story. Try and use the words, the descriptions, the ways of describing the story, like I've given you examples of. And you can also use this down below to help you. Okay, let's go through it together. So there are 5 aeroplanes, and each aeroplane has 3 passengers. There are 15 passengers altogether. So we can say 5 groups of 3 equals 15. We can say 5 times 3 is 15. You could also say 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 15.